What an ink mess on the returned printer. This is a video showing how to empty the ink supply before returning the DTF Pro printer. Discard the inks in the ink tanks, no need to return them. Power on the printer. Move the printhead assembly to the middle. Power off the machine and extract inks out of all the cartridges. Put the ink cartridges back in place after cleaning. Power on the printer to return the printhead assembly back to its base point. Discard the ink waste bottle, no need to return it. Extract all the ink waste out of the tubes. Tie up the tubes to avoid ink leakage. If you don't have any ties, you can use tape as an alternative. Stuff up the ink tanks with some tissue paper. We appreciate it if you complete all these works. Thank you.